Oh hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time. So, this is the show where I share my knowledge of instant noodles with you. I've reviewed over 3,000 varieties over the last, mostly since 2010. Yeah. Today we've got one from Thailand. This is a little pack and it's called Wai Wai brand instant noodles. It really doesn't say anything more than that about the flavor. Wai Wai brand oriental style instant noodles. And this is the export pack. There's two ways you can make it. You can either make it a soup version or a what do you call it? Or a dry version. I want to say I tried the dry version in the past and it was like pretty darn salty, so I figure, hey, let's do the soup. So you might have seen this in the Asian grocery before and been like, hey, what's that? I don't understand. So I guess after this you may have a better understanding of what this is. So let's see. What am I gonna say? Okay, so you put and everything in. So one thing you should notice right off the bat is the noodles look a little different. I want to do this without making like a what do you call it? Yeah, a mess. Notice how dark these are. These are already kind of seasoned a little bit. I mean, a lot of people will eat this noodle straight. Has kind of a sesame taste to it. And it's really not bad. A lot of people will enjoy something like that on salad as a topping, that kind of junk. Okay, so we need, it says 2 to 3 minutes on this. It also said 2 to 3 cups of water. So 2 to 3 minutes is 2.5, and 2 to 3 cups is 2.5. So 2.5 and 2.5, and yeah. So we got 2.5 minutes. Here's the liquid. It's an oil sachet. And then we have a dual sachet. We have a seasoning, and we have a chili powder, of which both will be added in their entirety. So yeah, wow. Been a few days since I've done one of these videos. Been an interesting couple days. So first, my son Miles graduated from preschool. He was in a program where they help kids with speech delays and stuff and all sorts of different things. So we're really proud of him. Way to go, Miles. And he's going to be going into actual, like, schooly school. Come September. So that's pretty cool. I never got to get all that schooling when I was his age. He will be turning 3 on the day after tomorrow, which is like a couple weeks ago for you, but you know, it's okay. So yeah, really stoked on that. Have family up, that was nice. And everything's all chugging along, going good, having a lot of fun. Then yesterday, I fell in the shower. Kind of crazy. I like standing there. I was like, oh, you know, getting clean, washed my hair, rinsed it, and I like turn, and then I like just totally like banana peel it, right? Just like boom. Like, I think I grabbed like the sink and the wall and stuff, and then I'm just like laying on the floor with my head on the floor, going like, dude, whoa. I'm sore today, but I was kind of like really dazed yesterday. Oh, a little bit jumpy. But yeah, kind of a crazy experience. I'm figuring tomorrow I'm gonna hurt like hell. Because it seems like whenever I do something like, you know, hurt, like twist my neck or something like that, It really bothers me 2 days after. Takes a little while for it to decide it really wants to give me trouble. So. Anyways, our soup version of the Wai Wai is done. I've had this before, but I want to kind of give it another taste. It's been a long time. Broth, you can see that. It's spicy. Maybe just straight 2 cups is enough, but the spice level has gone way up. Interesting. I'm not finding that incredibly enjoyable. Curious what my review of it was. Ooh, that's got a kick on it like a mule, yo. Alright. Let's add the broth and noodle. Like so. See how you can see. There you go. Looking good. Sharp. Look at that bowl of noodles right there. And so I was looking at the packaging, and it did show an egg, and it showed some cilantro, aka coriander. I thought maybe shrimp to go along with it. So it's a Thai thing. So it's either shrimp or what do you call it? Like minced pork. That seems to be the 2 most popular things to add in, or flavors of instants. So we shall. Oh man, did I get another cranky egg? No, maybe not. Let's see what we got here. Ugh. Oh yeah, kind of cranky. It's definitely soft, let's put it that way. And here's some shrimp. And some coriander to play around here. Alright, and we want your tails to be up in the air, because it looks a little more festive, right? Take my word for it. Take my word for it. Alright, so yeah, they got their noodles and everything. So interesting, something different to try. I would be hard pressed to think that you couldn't find this at your Asian grocery, because it's a very, very popular, and it's also real cheap. It doesn't cost much. I want to say these are like usually on the 20 to 30 cent side of things. So yeah, well, that was the Wai Wai Oriental style. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, well, hey, guess what, people? There's a lot more over in this area. If you're not seeing it yet, you will see it in a moment. But yeah, alright, well, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. And yeah, please subscribe. I really appreciate it when you do. Alright, thanks. Have a good one, and bye.